Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to zoom in or out of a Google Doc. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is just where it says the 100% next to the pane roller, you can click on the drop down here and adjust the zoom by clicking inside of there and then going larger or smaller. So again, pretty straightforward process on that. If you want to adjust the entire page zoom, you can tap the control key on your keyboard and then using your mouse scroller, you can zoom in or out by dragging the scroller in, forwards, or backwards. So again, pretty straightforward process on that, guys. So a couple different options here to explore. And you can also have it just zoom to fit the page or the screen. So pretty straightforward process. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.